Okay. So what you are saying?
Question number 20.
Question number 20. What is that?
A ball is thrown vertically upwards.
There is a there is a ground like this. This is the ground, huh? Oh. This is ground, and there is a building.
It's a tower.
There is a tower like this. There is a tower. This is the tower. Okay. Now a ball is thrown. Ball is thrown upwards. 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 Right. Suppose it reaches here. This is the maximum height. Maximum height. Maximum height. And then it starts falling down. It starts falling down. Right. So at maximum height, and ball is moving, going in upward direction. So G is negative G. So minus 9.8 meter per second square. This is negative acceleration is working on it. And when it reaches it here, then final velocity is equal to 0. Right? Initially at what velocity it is thrown?
Initial velocity of 19.6 meter per square.
में मीटर 19.6 मीटर लिखा होगा मीटर पर सेकंड
हाँ सर मीटर पर सेकेंड.
u is initial velocity initial velocity g is initial velocity u is equal to 19.6 meter per second, right? And so टाइम टोटल टाइम भी दिया गया होगा शायद
The ball reaches the ground after 5 seconds.
5 seconds ना total time of flight total time of flight is equal to 5 seconds, right? So time time taken to reach maximum height so v is equal to u plus 80, right? Here V is 0. So 0, 19.6 plus G, A is equal, A will be here. It will be equal, A is equal to G. So negative 9.8 into T. Right? So you can write 0 is equal to 19.6 minus 9.8 T, or you can write 9.8 T is equal to 19.6, therefore it is 2 times. So T is equal to 2 seconds. Right? So from here, from here from here to here it takes 2 seconds. So same time it takes from here to here. Up to here it takes 2 seconds. Same time. How much time it is taking from this point to maximum height and coming to this point, parallel to this point, is 2 seconds. It takes 2 seconds. So it is 4 seconds. So from here to here it takes only 1 second, or time taken in falling, time taken in falling to ground is 2 plus 1 is equal to 3 seconds. It takes 3 seconds, right? And just before start falling, just before start falling, U is equal to 0, right? So so H is equal to UT plus half AT, half GT square. When it is coming down, so it plus, right? When it is falling like this, then plus G. So it is, and this is 0. So H is equal to half GT square. So in 2 seconds, where in 2 seconds, what will be the height? 1 by 2 into 9.8 into 2 square. So it is 4.9, right? It is coming how much? 4.9 into 4. How much? 9 times 4 becomes 36. We get 3. 4 times 4 becomes 16. 3, 19. 19.6, right, is height, meter. From here to here, height is from here to here, height is 19.6 meter. And if t is equal to 3 seconds, then h is equal to half into 9.8 into 0. Sorry, it is 3 whole square. It is how much? 4.9. So it is 4.9 into 9. 9 times 9 becomes 81. We get 8 here. 9 times 4 times 9 becomes 36 for 44. So 44.1 meter is in 3 seconds. So height from here to here is 44.1 meter. So say this is h dash. Yeah, this is, you take h dash, h dash, h dash. So height of tower is equal to h minus h dash. So 44.1 minus 19.6. This is also in meters. This is also in meters. We have carried 3, 1 here. It is 5 point. You have taken, it is 3, 13. 13 minus 9 becomes 4. And 3 minus 1 becomes 2. So it is 24.5 meter. Right? What is your answer?
24.5 meters.
So height of tower is 24.5 meter. Right? This we get. Now, what it is asking?
The velocity of ball on reaching the ground.
Velocity of ball reaching on the ground.
Take gram is equals to 9.8 meter per second square.
We have done here everywhere. So now you are telling me. So if we take V is equal to U plus GT, right? So initial velocity is 0 here, है ना? U is equal to 0. So V is equal to 0 plus 9.8 into 3. How much you are getting? So V is equal to 8 times 3 becomes 24. We get 2. 9 times 3 becomes 27. And 3, how much? 3, 8 times 3 becomes 24. We get 2. Huh?
Yes, sir.
And 327 to 29. It is 29.4 meter per second.
Yes, sir.
Huh?
Yes, sir.
So this is the velocity here. At this point, velocity is 29.4 meter per second. This is the whole solution of the question, right? So total flight of time is given us 5 seconds. So 2 seconds it takes from here to here. So 2 seconds it takes from here to here. So from here to here it takes 1 second. Total falling time is 3 seconds. So we get the things done like that. Now after that v is equal to u plus gt. It is when it is starting from here, u is 0, g is 9.8, and from here to here it takes 3 seconds. So time is 3 seconds. When we multiply that, we get 29.4 meter per second is the speed with which ball
Falling.
has just before hitting the ground. This speed it is having just before hitting the ground. After hitting the ground, this speed converts into kinetic energy in the form of heat and light. In the form of heat and light. Sorry, in the form of heat, it is transferred and it bounces back sometimes. Okay, this much.